How to learn AI in 30 days. Learning AI is an exciting journey, and with the right approach, you can make significant progress in just 30 days. Start your month with a commitment to consistency and curiosity. Each day should be a blend of learning theory and practical application. Begin with the foundations of artificial intelligence, immersing yourself in the basic concepts, such as machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. Resources such as online courses, textbooks, or video lectures are invaluable at this stage. As you delve deeper into the subject, dedicate specific days to focus on key algorithms and models. For instance, spend time understanding linear regression and decision trees first, before moving on to more complex topics like deep learning and reinforcement learning. Create mini projects that allow you to apply these concepts in real-world scenarios. These projects could range from image classification tasks to simple chatbots, each enhancing your understanding and skills. Progressing through the month, participate in online forums and study groups to engage with fellow learners. Platforms like Kaggle offer challenges that can sharpen your skills as you compete with others in this space. Moreover, try to implement your own AI projects based on your interests. Whether it's predicting trends, automating tasks, or analyzing data, personal projects can be both rewarding and educational. Remember that feedback from peers can be crucial, so share your work and seek constructive criticism. As you approach the end of the 30 days, consolidate your knowledge by revising the content you've covered. Create a mind map or a summary that encapsulates all the key concepts you've learned. Additionally, take time to explore the ethical considerations of AI, understanding its societal impact and the importance of responsible AI systems. Reflect on your journey. What have you learned, and how have you evolved as a learner? Finally, don't let the learning stop here. 30 days is just the beginning. As you transition from a novice to a more advanced practitioner, plan your next steps. Identify resources for further study and communities to join, and perhaps even consider contributing to open-source AI projects. The world of AI is vast and continuously evolving, and your journey can lead to endless opportunities for innovation and exploration. By establishing a solid foundation in just 30 days, you're now equipped to delve deeper into the fascinating field of artificial intelligence.